Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. By means of this petition, the petitioner has assailed the Office Memo dated 19/10/2019 passed by the Secretary Public Works Department, Government of UP, imposing the punishment of withholding 1 increment of salary of the petitioner temporarily for 1 year and censure entry. Stop. Learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that by means of impugned order, the authority competent has, however, referred explanation of the petitioner dated 28/1/2019, but while passing final order, contention of representation dated 28/1/2019 has not been dealt with. Stop. Only this much has been indicated, that contentions of the representation of the petitioner dated 28/1/2019 are not satisfactory. Therefore, the said explanation of the petitioner is rejected. Stop. The law is right on the point that if an employee prefers explanation/representation explaining his bona fide, the authority competent shall not only consider the said explanation of the employee, but also shall deal with properly, and if said explanation is not acceptable to the authority concerned, the authority concerned shall assign specific reasons to that effect. Stop. As per Rule 10(2) of the Rules 1999, it is incumbent upon the disciplinary authority to consider the explanation of an employee and pass such order as he considers proper, and where penalty is imposed, reason thereof shall be given. Stop. Perusal of the impugned order dated 19/10/2019 reveals that no reason of any kind whatsoever has been indicated as to why explanation of the petitioner dated 28/1/2019 was not worth considerable. Stop. As a matter of fact, on that score, the impugned punishment order dated 19/10/2019 is non-speaking and unreasoned order. Therefore, it is violative of statutory prescription, which mandates that the rejection order or punishment order should be reasoned one, and consideration of reasons should be reflected on the order itself. Stop. Therefore, the impugned order dated 19/10/2019 prima facie appears to be unreasoned and non-speaking order. Stop. The objection so raised by the learned additional Chief Standing Counsel to the effect that against the punishment order, the petitioner may approach the UP State Public Services Tribunal by filing claim petition as alternative remedy may not be circumvented, is not liable to be considered for the simple reason that if the impugned order is erroneous on the face of it, and any error apparent on the face of the order itself, then instead of relegating the issue to the UP State Public Services Tribunal, the matter should be relegated to the authority competent to pass appropriate orders strictly in accordance with law, considering the reply submitted by the petitioner. Therefore, the ground of maintainability of the writ petition so raised by the learned additional Chief Standing Counsel is not accepted and accordingly turned down. Stop. Considering the facts and circumstances of the issue in question, a writ in the nature of certiorari is issued quashing the order dated 19/10/2019 at the admission stage itself, granting liberty to opposite parties to pass a fresh order after considering reply submitted by petitioner and affording him opportunity of hearing. Stop. The said procedure shall be completed within a period of 4 weeks from the date a copy of this order is submitted before the said opposite party. Over.